Another day, another shortcuts in ArchiCAD. Today about Ctrl+A. What these shortcuts really allow us to do in ArchiCAD. Let's go to ArchiCAD. You can see that I have many different elements in ArchiCAD. I have some columns, I have some beam, some objects, slab, walls, elevation and section, just elevation lines. And for example, I would like to select only walls here. It will be not so much problem because I can just click with Shift to walls, but if it will be really full project, then there will be many walls, many different elements in the same place, and it will be really difficult and takes longer time to select all walls manually. And so that's why we have Ctrl+A. What's mean Ctrl+A? If I would like to select only walls here, I will just click on the wall tool on our toolbar and click Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A allow me to select such elements which I just selected on my toolbox. If, for example, I would like to select on the beam, just click on the beam tool and Ctrl+A. If I would like to select beam and wall, I have beam selected, so now I will just click on the wall and click Ctrl+A again, and now I have beam and wall selected. If I will just click on the arrow tool and click on Ctrl+A, it allows me select everything what is on my, for this moment, ground floor. If I will be in 3D, I will select and I will have something like few concatenations here, few stories. And then I will work on full project, and everything what I can see for this moment in this window where I'm working now, I will select. So for example, I will just make quick copy. Let's go to the first story. Now you can see that in 3D I have many different elements, a few stories, and for example, if I will click wall tool and click Ctrl+A, now I'm selecting everything on every story, so everything that I can see in 3D. If I will select walls just here on the first story, I'm only selecting on the first story elements. See you tomorrow. And remember to download your shortcuts list from my website. Just click and go to homepage, and then you can see short box. Just type your email address and you will get your own list of shortcuts in ArchiCAD. Tomorrow we will be talking about shortcuts in Vectorworks. See you tomorrow.